Hi from Berlin.
Beautiful Berlin.
Yeah, it's pretty. It sucks that we can't show you guys a cool background. It's so windy, we had to kind of put the camera in a corner, but what's up? So
focus, topic.
Focus.
Focus.
So I got some cool news. I got contacted by a company called bonfire.com that makes custom t-shirts, and it's a startup company that's a really cool idea where they batch order everything after a campaign is over. And they even, Kim drew this thing up of me riding two sharks, just a really crude drawing, and sent it to them, and this is what they came back with. It is awesome, and I'm really proud of it, and it's only going to be on sale for 2 weeks. So buy a shirt, all the proceeds go to new sales for the boat, which I pick up after we get through the canal. They're being made right now. So
you have to say the hero and heroine.
Oh yeah. In this episode, our hero and heroine are in Cayman Islands with the locals, the crazy locals, and we eat some crazy food, and we get into crazy fights. it's pretty funny.
Cayman style. Well, yeah.
Cayman style. Let's see if you guys can understand what this guy says. All right, you want to see Berlin real quick? Say hi. Say hi.
Beautiful city.
Okay.
Beautiful city.
Bye from Berlin.
Bye from Berlin. Say hi to Cayman.
Well, Denton told us to go down this road, and then he would meet us at a table. Do you see a table?
I don't see a table.
I don't think there is a table.
I think Denton's the fast one on it.
Where the hell are we? How did we end up in this situation? Let's think about our poor decision-making skills.
We got in a car with a stranger
that we couldn't understand. Anything he had to say. I get about 80% of what he says,
yeah.
Actually. And then for the other 20%, I kind of can fill it in context. But every once in a while, we have to say, Denton, we didn't understand anything you just said. and then he'll tone it down a little bit. He'll speak in an American accent for us. It's funny. Do a backflip.
What? No.
Do a backflip.
I can't do a backflip. Your options are cannonball, belly flop,
Belly flop.
or a shitty 1.8 dive.
Is that the score?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the score.
All right, we're in Grand Cayman. This place is beautiful and really expensive. Check it out. There's 4 cruise ships here right now. They come in, they port for a couple days, and then they leave at like 5 p.m. And they sail overnight to the next destination, which is probably Cancun or something. Wouldn't you say? Wouldn't you say there, girlie?
That would be my expert opinion, yes.
Let's go, let's record some video and see what we can get into in Georgetown event, or where are we? Grand Cayman. What do you think, Mel?
It's pretty spectacular. It's fucking awesome. The water is amazing. You can
This
see.
water?
Yeah. So clear.
Or the drinking water?
This water that I'm not drinking.
You haven't drank any? It's spectacular.
I've drank quite a bit.
bring the gas. I just remember we're
So it looks like 4 cruise ships just came in. There's like 1 million people here. Check this out. I wonder how much they sell coconuts here for. I bet they're like $4 or $5 bucks. 2 hits. That's all he needs. He's a pro. Oh, he even takes it out for you. That's nice.
Thank you.
What's he sell the coconuts for?
$4.
I don't want to put
You know they grow on the trees here.
Yes. It costs nothing. You ready to go? You have to get it.
Babe, you have to go get them out of the tree. Right?
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on out here.
Like the old ones with the nuts.
These are the ones, but we'll get the rest of these for me, okay?
Yeah? These are the ones?
See what you got there.
Taste it.
Oh, nice. You can just drink right out of there?
Yeah, a cup.
That's good, man.
That's good, man.
Yeah? It's good, bro. You know what I mean?
Good. I'm gonna try that one. Look at the expression on his face.
Oh, that's really good. It's sweet. Tastes like Bailey's. Creamy.
I don't look like a tourist. See, these are younger one now. But when you taste the gel in these,
It's good, right?
It's really good.
Taste this one.
you see the cream?
See
Yeah.
the difference.
The difference in the cream?
Yeah. The gel.
See the gel?
You like the jelly one?
The jelly.
Right. Look how much jelly cut, but all the. Here you go, boy.
What you doing in there? What is that?
That's the gel.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's good.
Mmm. Yeah. That's fly out of my range. Check out this meal. Oh, that's hot. I don't want to touch that. We got the beans. We got the plantains. What's the secret to plantains?
Good ones.
And then we got the breadfruit.
That's how I do it. I can cut it out hard.
Peel it.
That's not the best knife. Good job. There you go.
Just slicing it thin so you can fry it.
Like chips. Potato. And here you can do the potato, you can do the breadfruit.
I once had sex with a potato. Can you do it? Can I have sex with breadfruit?
Huh? That's up to you. What turns you on?
Fry it up. This plantain smells good. Look what this crazy bastard just did. Do you see that? That is sugar. That's sugar on beans. There, it's normal beans. That's his beans.
He just took the shaker
Oh my
out
god,
and
I've never seen anybody put that much sugar on beans before. That's crazy.
That's a lot of sugar, yo.
Look at the Tabasco. Wait a minute, you gotta take a picture now.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're gonna put Tabasco and
Yeah,
sugar?
let me take a picture now. Do that?
Do you want some beans with the sugar?
Exactly.
That's what I
That's why I'm so sweet.
So check out the prices on ice cream. Ben & Jerry's is $6.69. Oh, you can't really see. And that's in CI money, so you got to add another 20%. You could be my cameraman. Come on, cameraman, let's go.
Oh snap. I want to ride!
Wait, am I still in the frame? You can't ride and be the cameraman.
Yes, I can.
Okay, try
Test
it.
me.
But if you drop my camera,
Yeah,
it's
don't
worth
drop
more than your little life. I will murder with this pinky. You see this pinky?
Who cares about it?
Oh man! Don't drop my camera, bro. Put these back. Day 4. We're still looking for the picnic table.
Maybe we should have listened to his wife. She's like, do you trust this man? You got in a car with him and you...
Oh, he's always, she said, he's always bringing home strays.
Yeah. Don't you think he might be a murderer?
I didn't see any indication of his house that said that he was a murderer.
That's how they get you.
Whoa, check it out. I thought you said table.
Huh? I put a table on. That's what I had for a table.
Ah.
I put it where it belongs.
Oh, yeah.
On the rubber sheet. See?
Uh-huh.
I cleaned the place up before you got here. That's it, I don't want to see no mess.
One of those has to be right.
Why do bugs like mangroves so much?
Why do bugs like my flesh so much?
Well, that's obvious.